Hi, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? This is live price prediction of Pancakeswap. But today I am so happy. I'm very happy because my friend, after a very long time, Pancakeswap is also wake up and take a very huge jump, my friend. As you can see here, 12%, my friend. The price is increasing now, so therefore I really like it, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time also there is a chance, so they will give you a lot of good profits now, my friend. So please, holders, don't starting selling and please wait for the good time. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time this is possible to they will again wake up and they will move upward, so please don't force now. I hope, my friend, you will better understand to what we will need to do, my friends, after absolutely you will better understand. So thanks for watching, my viewers, my subscriber to supporting, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time this is possible to they will give you a profit, so please be safe from the lost. All remember that in those days some holders are doing very huge mistake today or fails down, but I think something with wrong now, because remember that absolutely Pancakeswap is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, so therefore if a holder are starting and investing now, so therefore as you can see, my friend, they will fails down, so please don't starting selling, hold it. I hope they will give you a lot of good profits. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.